Sai Ram students, welcome back. Let us continue with second chapter of geography. Let us use the Graticule. Part 2. Now we will see the next map reading. We are going to observe the map of India. Question is, observe a map of India and answer the following questions given below. This is the map of India. You might already have the atlas. So if this picture is not clear, you can take your atlas and see from there. First question. Which important parallel passes through India? Yes? Can you find the answer? Yes, and the answer is the Tropic of Cancer passes through India. The Tropic of Cancer you can see on your right hand side. Students, our next question. Question 2. Which areas of India do not get perpendicular sun rays? Yes, think about the answer. Which area? Yes, and the answer is the northern area of India that are to the north of the Tropic of Cancer do not get perpendicular rays. And the next question is question 3. Which region of India receives perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year? And what would be the answer? Yes, the answer is the southern region of India, that is to the south of the Tropic of Cancer, receives perpendicular rays on the 2 days in a year. Means for the 2 days they receive the perpendicular rays. And our next question for this map is question 4. In which region of India is the temperature comparatively low? What do you think? Which region it will be? Yes, in the northern region of the India, the temperature is comparatively low because it receives less sun rays. Now the next map we are going to read is Vatican City. This is the map of Vatican City. Vatican City is known as the smallest country in the world. It is spread over an area of 0.44 square kilometer. This country is located within Italy on the Italian peninsula. See the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of this country in the map from west to east and also from the north to south. There is no difference in the degrees or minutes of the latitude or longitude, but the difference is only in seconds. You can see to your left hand side above and to your right hand side below. You can see the difference. Yes, students? Shall we proceed? Okay. From this, you will get an idea about the use of smaller units of minutes and seconds in the angular measurements. And now the next we are going to learn is temperature zones. Due to the duration and intensity of sunlight, different temperature zones are formed on the earth. And so, this gives rise to pressure belt. Temperature zones gives rise to pressure belt. And the next point is, what is diversity in plants and animal life? Now students, what is diversity? Diversity means the wide range in plants and animal life. Variation in the intensity of sunlight temperature zones leads to regional diversity in plants and animals. And our next is Greenwich Meridian. Now students, what is Greenwich Meridian? The 0-degree longitude or prime meridian helps to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard times of different countries. This meridian is also known as Greenwich Meridian. Global Standard Time is known as GMT. GMT means abbreviation of Greenwich Mean Time. Now our next point is the International Date Line. It is also called as IDL. The abbreviation of International Dateline is IDL. The International Dateline is marked with reference to 180-degree meridian. Next is what is great circles. The equator as well as all pairs of opposite meridian form great circles. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between any two places on the surface of the earth. Yes, students, you understood up to here? Now, what we have learned today? Shall we do the recap? Temperature zone and pressure belt, diversity in plants and animal life, Greenwich Meridian, the International Dateline, and Great Circle. And now let's do the activity. Fill in the blanks. First, fill the blank. Dash is known as the smallest country in the world. Second, fill the blank. Temperature zone give rise to. Third, fill the blank. 0-degree meridian is called the dash. And the fourth one is dash and dash are two important meridians. Yes, try to find the answer. Come on, recollect. Just now we have studied everything. Okay, I will help you out. First is Vatican City is known as the smallest country in the world. Second, temperature zone gives rise to pressure belt. 0-degree meridian is called the Greenwich Meridian. Fourth, 0-degree meridian and 180-degree meridian are two important meridians. Okay, students, I hope so you understood. So, thank you. Sai Ram.